Welcome to my channel, friends. In this video, I will tell you how I was deviating from my strategy, and because of that, I was not able to make profits. But when I realized it and got back to my strategy decisions, then I made 10,000 rupees profit. So stay tuned and watch this video today. Good morning, friends. Today is 10th April 2026. And now it is actually 9:25. But let us have a look in the global market. In American markets, all the markets are a little up. UK is a little down. GIFT Nifty is up by 109 points. Japan is up and Hang Seng is also up. So we can expect that Indian market will up today. So let's have a look at the Indian market. So friends, now it is 9:30. I have marked the high and low of the first candle, 5 minutes candle. I have also marked today's date in a vertical line, 10th April at 9:15 a.m. So as of now, the market is in the range of 23,900 option strike price. As of now, I don't think anything we can do, but there is a crossover happening here. Yesterday it was a low trend, now it is converting into a high trend. The RSI is also above 55, so that is also confirming that there is an uptrend. But let us see. So friends, I have added a alert in Nifty that if the Nifty 50 goes above 23,970, or if Nifty goes below 23,850, that is these two lines approximately, then I will get an alert, and if it breaks with a strong candle, we can consider taking a trade. Till now, I am just watching the charts and let us see what happens. So friends, you can see that now it is trying to break. It is actually broken, and I have received a alert. Now it is crossing with a strong candle. So it is again come down and could not cross the day's high. So it has closed the candle above the day's high. So let's wait for this 5 minutes candle. There is a breakout, but not with very strong candles. So this may be a false breakout and come back again in the range. If it is a strong breakout, then we can consider something. But to be frank, I think I am a little bit deviated from my original strategy. The strategy was very simple. If the market is uptrend, RSI is above 55, see chart, the blue line, the EMA 9 line is above, and if there is a comeback of green candle, then I should take a trade over there. That was the strategy. And what was the target and stop loss? Target would be 10 points and stop loss would be 5 points. It was a very simple strategy, but somehow I got trapped into this days high, days low thing. Because see, if I had followed my own strategy, then I would have entered at 181 or so in the green point. So 181, 10 points in is 191. So I had a thought of modifying the plan like this, that if it reaches 10 point, then I move the stop loss to the again 5 points. So 191 minus 5 points, so 187 would remain my stop loss. So it went up again, and every 10 points I will move my stop loss. This is what I had thought, but somehow I am deviated from my own strategy, I see I'm not looking for a long trail of 40-50 points. If I get it, it's fine. Otherwise, I'm quite happy with 10 points. So I'm actually deviating following my own strategy. So let's see what happens. So it has already come down. So this is the false breakout actually. No, it has come down. So it was a false breakout, you can see. So it has come down. So what is happening with PE? PE strategy is not being met. So I'm also not going for PE because the blue line is below and RSI is also above 55. So again, if I consider that if I had taken a trade at 181, then it would have gone up to this point, say 209. If 209 was the target, then my stop loss would have been 5 points below, which is 203. 203, which would have hit over there. 203, 180 to 203, to 23 points, I would have made a profit. So I'm deviated from my own strategy, from the strategy that I'm following. It's not good. It's again trying to go up, break the day's high again. So it seems that here I should take a trade at 195, 195.40. Okay, 195.40. Stop loss is 190.40. Okay, so 190.40 is my stop loss, and I've taken a trade at 195.40. So let it go ahead a little bit. So next target is 200, and I have taken 548 lots. It has got 200, but I need 240. 240. Now stop loss I moved to 200.45, you can say, or maybe 245. 245. Where has it reached? 200. So as my stop loss is 245, so I made sure that I have already made 5 points for sure. So let me check. So if it goes to say 206, so I can make it 201. 206, so I made 208, so 203 I will make 203. 213 means 7. So 207 means I have already made 12 points. It has reached 20. So then I will make it to 10. So last stop loss is 210. To 18 means to 13. I will make it to 13. To 20 means I will make to 15. I have hit the stop loss at 215. Okay, so that is the first trade that I have taken, and let me now enter this into sensible. So I'm entering into this sensible. So my strategy is N50C by 1, create and orders manually 23. Actually I got it at 23,900, right? So I bought it 8 lots, 520, and my price was 195.40. Time was, I have not checked the time. Maybe it was 10 o'clock or so. Add it. And then I exit orders manually. And exit prices 215. 215. Okay, 215. Exited at 10:20, correct. So I've made 10,192. Okay. So it's good that I've taken that trade over here. So I was deviating from my strategy. That is what I was telling you. And I followed the strategy. And you see that I have made 20 points. So 20 points is 10,000 rupees. So it is good for that. I may not take any further trade because 10,000 rupees in one day is quite enough. So friends, you can see the market has changed. It is the PE side is going up, but it's a right time to take a trade actually in PE side. But as you can see that I have made a profit of 10,000 rupees, and I just do not want to give it back to the market by trading more. 10,000 rupees in a day for me is enough. No? What do you think? Is it enough for you? Okay. So let me call an end for today's trading, and let us we shall come back on next Monday, that is on 13th of April. That I wish all of you a very, very good and happy and enjoying weekend. Yeah, when you make money on Friday, then your mood for the entire weekend becomes extremely good, isn't it? So let's hope for the best, and let's meet on Monday again. Thank you so much. Thank you for your time. Thank you.